Guys, it's Heather. Welcome back. Today I am back in my pantry and I got to reorganize it. It's a complete disaster. So we're going to declutter some things. We're going to rearrange some things, put things away, and just really tidy up in here because it's just gotten to be a mess. I'm going to show you some close-ups in a second and then we're just going to kind of go through it. So this space was actually just like an under the stairs closet, and we had some shelving put in and we turned it into a pantry. And then in the back on the other side, there's like a bunch of storage. So it's like a multi-purpose, multi-functional type of closet. So I did have everything really organized, but things have just gotten a little bit out of control. So I need to rearrange everything, get everything nice and tidy and organized, and of course go through things, see what's expired, see what's maybe been left out like this and it's just stale. And hopefully I can make everything fit. So let's get started. Okay, so to make things easy, I'm starting out top to bottom. So I have some formula and some random things that I have not used or that's just garbage. So I'm discarding of those first. Any of like cereals or anything like that, I'm gonna fill up my OXO Good Grips containers and get everything neat and organized and put away. Perfect because I can keep like all of my plates and paper cups and party supplies and that kind of thing all in one place. And I'll put up in the cards my original pantry video. It's start to finish, us building this and like how I picked out the baskets and measured everything. So I will put that up above and also link it down below. Now, we don't keep a ton of like canned goods and backup things like that, but what we do have is up here, and weirdly we have silly string. So I'm just putting that in the playroom. So a couple of these cans were actually expired. We prefer to cook like fresh vegetables if we're gonna cook, but I'm not much of a cook. We have been doing HelloFresh and we've been really enjoying doing that a few times a week. But in here I just keep like baking, so I have separate baskets for like baking supplies, and then I also have one for cooking supplies where we keep like pastas and different sauces and things like that. And a lot of times these things are hidden away and we totally forget what we have. So this way, when things are put in the clear bins, I can see like exactly what I have, and it's a reminder like, okay, we need to use this stuff. So I'm just going through the rest of my bins here. I keep like canned products in here. A lot of this stuff is still good. It stays good for quite a while. And then just like mac and cheese, quick and easy meal, stuff like that. And looks like I'm out of coffee, so that's a problem. And then down below here is just the stuff that I keep for the dog. So like pill pockets, medicines, creams, lotions. Our dog's gotten old, unfortunately. Our other dog passed in May, so some of this stuff was his. So I'm just tossing what stuff is old. So I just freed up some space on the top shelf, and I'm gonna utilize one of the Lazy Susans. So this is a ton of just boxes. Look at how many boxes. It takes up so much space rather than just condensing everything, and it can harbor mold and it just gets gross. So then everything over here is stuff that we didn't use, that's expired, that we forgot about because frankly it was hidden within all this junk. And I have some formula that I need to donate now that my son is off of that. So yeah. I already feel so much better. It is so nice just to be able to organize and tidy up and just get a little bit done. I always have to remind myself that getting something done is better than having it absolutely perfect. That's just not realistic. Like, you're using this space, things are coming in, you don't have the time. So I definitely don't like to let it get that out of control. And just stuff that, you know, we forgot we had that we didn't use, and just things like that, that maybe some of the stuff I can donate, some of it is expired, so I'm not sure what to do there. But this took me about 30 minutes, just quickly just going through everything and just reorganizing. For the most part, I had a whole system in place. I just added a couple of like Lazy Susans. They're always really good to have. I have a bunch of the OXO pop containers that I've collected over time. They are pricey. My baskets I got from Target, so I think you can just like add a little bit to your pantry collection at a time. You don't have to go crazy. I feel like it's always changing like what you're keeping in there. So that's everything for today. I hope you guys like this quick pantry reorganization and declutter video. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out my channel a ton just by subscribing and liking it, like more than you'd know. So I really, really appreciate it. And I do all different types of videos on organization, cleaning, beauty, fashion, decor, pretty much everything. So definitely check out some of my playlists down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.